our neighbors to the south? Georgia, that's right. And do you know the river that forms our boundary with Georgia?
The Savannah.
That's right, the Savannah River. And you can see that on the map. The Savannah River forms our southern border with Georgia. Blade has a front and a back. Smiley face is on the front. Smooth spoon face. The leading edge on top. You always want to make sure that's on your right.
I never thought that I would make amends with the ocean, but as we left the shores my eyes began to tear. Why had it always caused me unelusive feelings?
Hey, can anybody tell me the name of that grass? What'd you say? Everybody say Spartinos!
Through the sea without a sound, and when I finally washed up to your sandy shorebed, the message in the bottle had no writing to be found. Well, this is my paradise. This is all I really need, yeah. And I can't live without this feeling of the ocean around me, yeah, 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 yeah.